me. I'm out today. I'm out, guys. So today, guys, you know, talking about come bit.
Davis Scott, Ovai.
Ovayo. Okay, Ovayo. Like today we are on full trip check out like so has telling ice out like you buy bamba t-shirt the
Calling a top.
top
Cape the fix, yeah.
the fix.
Mr. Price. Mr. Price.
Okay.
Part was, yeah.
The wife. Look at the eyes. Cause on there like you. Okay, guys. Yabo. Lum chita like basic kabilis into use. Ako ku social so nanje. Kanto ako sungola like.
Ban gomrete.
Can you try camera? No, bro. Like, okay, so guys, all the niggas got drills, guys. Even me, like, but so asanganga namhlanje yabo. Like, like, uqale babies ubeka ndawo wena.
Maybe 5 or 6.
6 mkhulu guys, 6 mkhulu kakhulu. Like yasindu 6 sonke ba like singenza njani ba si find out ba like untswe munyango babies. Like I don't mind bas ngakhangela like look around for the babies. Okay. I'll mind in it. Okay, so you hold it coolly.
Flow is like wheels on the bus. Who's at the top? It's us. No, they proud, they gus. Ain't on cooling us.
Okay, so guys, yabo simfumene kiphanga. So actually, so nika lo mfana ngoku inamfits.
Sizawubiza i-team ngokokwenza kwazo. Then sizawucela o-captain be-team. Sizawuqala ngesoka. Ngicela simamele sibehave ne. Cela ibhekele abantwana bami kancinci. Sizawucela umdanso.
Travelile ke nomjita yabo. Like pha bethe uzawubuyela asinathemba ophinda abuye so sajonga ngoku. Otherwise so kuseke lona uhambile lo okay it's fine no offense. So lo mjita yabo like uzawuva ngayo manje bakwenzekani.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Up to you, bro. Okay, hamba mloka. Approach hamba usoka. Sibe phaku.
Hello.
Hi, Zian.
Njani?
Friend na.
Right now. Certain
Yes, na.
So wena unisebenza ngoba qashalya.
Next.
Nkosi.
Okay. Okay, izai bo. Kwenzeka kanjani like thina. Akayi type yakho.
Ningasho.
Ungatsho
Like siyazana way back, yeah.
oh, nezani? Ex yakho kanye
No.
classmate things. Nanifunda kunye. Brands afunde kunye njengoku. Manje bonana. Yabo better this time bana nizaqampile nibonana yabo sekhona intibanisayo guys. Okay. Since okay, so sicela rate to 6 out of 10 umphabane.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
Ukrand ngampu 6 kanye 7.
6. Okay, utrain okay. Utuphu 6 la okay. So when like out of 10 umphabane.
Anga right no tuna.
Why? 2 in it 2. Okay, why?
Ngakile.
Okay, ngosini.
The nigga didn't want to continue recording. He said it's child. Yeah, damn.
Your boy Cozy 49ers, you know. So guys, ukuthala travelisa guys, ukuthatha ebusuku guys noko ngoku. Otherwise, apha neniga. Umuntu ogqwethe caps, umfana ka bra, you know. Thanga igama mfowethu. Sokhana nathi guys. Sokhana like build something, yabo. Build something sokhana, yabo. Otherwise sokhana like xa ufika uzayithe ucala babies ukhona cause sokhana funeka kube khona umuntu ozakhana naye yabo. Nayi. Nayi baby. Cala ka raise yakho usiphaba. Raise like cala babies xa uthetha le babies. Umtsempe usiphaba out of 10 kazi. Mhlawumbe ungaphaba ebunsombe bakho 7, 8, 9. 9 is heavy boy, is heavy. Like young Sina. Ven, Ozala. Come here, Ven, is Abba Ven. Come here, Ven. So I choose woman scale.
The boy is shy. The boy don't have a raise. He's shaky. My brother, why are you shaky?
Okay guys. So like besimphile chance lo mshi bethe uzinike u9 cere cosonele sis. Like cosonele.
No, my sister, no,
So
no,
bethe
don't
bethe
wait for me.
uziphu9
Your type is not my type, my sister.
Umfuyembu yena kwi girls. Ndembeka negele ngoku like uyoyika ngoku whatsapp bro uthini? Yamoyika? Amoyiki ne. Akaye thina akayo type yakho. Lengano. Boy, come on, boy. Niphinda ukuse naye ne. Right. Isazi niko9 ngo. Boy, 10 bizon. Boy. Okay, so like tell him right take out of kilo 1 to 10 mpaba. 5. Why? Okay, so sisi like type yakho yena mfana. Type yakho ne. On a scale of 1 to 10 mpaba.
Baba ngitshela ukuthi ungabuza umbisilungu.
4. When we pay 5, why? Okay, thanks. Okay, so
Hey guys, you didn't find anyone to shoot, but next time I'll make sure that I find more and more people for you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Please make sure you like and you subscribe.
Carrying the game on his back, I'm gone.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Look, guys, I've been cooking. On YouTube, I'm cooking on Instagram. You see my uploading,
Who else carrying the game on his back, I'm gone. Been cool. Who else double the figures, I gotta get my card. Been cool. Who else shine so bright, I gotta get my board. Been cool.